Recording starting or what happened? Okay. Alima, this is your first question. What happens when sulfur dioxide is passed through aqueous solution of ferric salt? What happens when sulfur dioxide is passed through aqueous solution of ferric 3 salt?
Ma'am, sulfur dioxide is a reducing agent, so it reduces ferrous into ferric.
1 minute. Papas, say it again, Alima.
Ma'am, SO2 is a reducing agent, so it reduces
It reduces
ferrous into ferric.
yeah, ferric into ferrous.
Yes. Ma'am, ferric into ferrous.
Because sulfur dioxide is passed through ferric 3 salt, means ferric salt. So it changes into ferrous. Good. Okay. Now the second question is ClF3 is existing, but FCl3 does not exist. Why?
Ma'am, because fluorine doesn't have vacant d orbital.
Fluorine does not have vacant d
D or
subshell.
subshell.
So what?
So it
इसके आगे
can't
बोलो. इसके आगे.
make bonds.
Okay, first
Extend its
part is correct.
covalency.
First part is correct. Second part,
Ma'am, can you repeat?
ClF3 exists, but FCl3 does not exist. Why? First part is correct. Absence of vacant D subshell. So what?
Ma'am, because chlorine can extend its covalency, but fluorine can't.
Extends its covalency. What is the covalency of fluorine?
Ma'am, fluorine.
In fact, it is not connected. Okay, this point is not connected to that. So you understood FCl3 is there, ClF3 is not. So which factor is playing there? Just after vacancy of D subshell. Uske baad, which factor is coming there?
Covalency or bonding.
Covalency is not coming there. Socho.
Ma'am, no idea.
Okay, but first part is correct. Your first part is correct. So मैं इसको credit देती हूँ. So first part. One more point is there. तो मैं बोल ही देती हूँ. You know that fluorine is smaller in size. It can't accommodate 3 chlorine atoms around that. Okay, but ClF3, Cl chlorine atom, it is bigger in size. ClF3 exists. Cl bigger size है. So it can accommodate 3 fluorine atoms around us. समझ में आया?
Yes,
Understood, Alima? Because this is a learning class also. Okay. So anyway, first part is correct. So good. And next question is why xenon atom forms compounds with fluorine even though it has a closed shell configuration? Understood? Xenon atom forms compounds with fluorine even though it has a closed shell. It's completely filled, outermost shell is there. But it is capable of reacting with the fluorine. Why?
Ma'am, because fluorine's electronegativity is more.
But here the major portion, means subject is main major character is xenon, not fluorine. Fluorine it is okay, it is highly electronegative, that's why. But here giving emphasis to xenon. Xenon has a closed shell configuration. Still, it create compound with fluorine. ये क्यों है? ये पूछा है. फिर क्यों compound बना रहे? This is the
because xenon has low ionization enthalpy.
Low ionization enthalpy के कारण होता है ये.
So nuclear effective nuclear charge.
Ionization enthalpy is what is ionization enthalpy?
Ma'am, the ionization enthalpy. Ma'am, it's the tendency of energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated gaseous atom.
Ha, it is correct. But your answer was wrong. Okay. Anyway, please ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लेना उसी का. ठीक है. And the next question, ClF3 has a T-shaped structure, but not a trigonal planar structure. Why? ClF3. It is related to the first question only. ClF3 has T-shaped structure, but not a trigonal planar structure. Trigonal planar is related to which hybridization, Alima?
Ma'am, sp3.
Trigonal. sp3.
sp2.
sp2. Okay. So, but it has T-shaped structure. Why? Why is it? Three atoms are there, so obviously it is supposed to have a trigonal planar structure. But your time is exceeding 6 minutes over. Anyway.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again? Last chance. Just
Okay.
last one.
ClF3 has T-shaped structure, but not a trigonal planar structure. क्यों नहीं है ट्रायगोनल प्लानर स्ट्रक्चर? इसको क्यों नहीं है? ये क्वेश्चन.
Ma'am, because it has two unpaired electron, lone pairs, two pair of lone.
Correct. चलो ठीक है. It's good. ठीक है. Over. Very good. Very good, Alima.
Thank you, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. Sometimes it happens so, but it is not a very big issue. Okay. Ask. Now it's your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the best. So your first question is, first question, when HCl, wait. Why halogens are highly reactive? Why halogens are highly reactive?
Ma'am, halogens are highly reactive because they are highly electronegative.
First point, okay, very good.
And because, ma'am, they have they have only one electron left to complete its octet to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration. So they readily accept an electron to complete its octet.
So it is related to that electronegativity, Asta. That is why it is called highly electronegative. Apart from that, there is
Ma'am, high effective nuclear charge.
Think it again. Think it again. It is a different.
Small in size.
Is halogens are small in size? Here we are talking of whole halogens. Okay.
Ma'am, ionization enthalpy is negative. High ionization enthalpy.
Wait a minute. High ionization enthalpy, is it related to this reactivity?
The next question, ma'am.
Okay. Then, but 1 point is correct. 1 point is correct. Okay. 1 point तुम्हारा सही है. Next question, ध्यान से सुनो. Why ICl is more reactive than I2? ICl, iodine chloride. ICl is more reactive compared to iodine, I2. एक बार लिखो ICl more reactive than I2.
Ma'am, ICl is an interhalogen compound.
Fine.
So they are very weak. So obviously
they are not interhalogen compound. Okay. So what is weak there?
Ma'am, their bond is weak.
Bond is weak. Very good. So what?
Ma'am, so they react rapidly. क्वेश्चन मैम एक बार फिर से बोलो मैम, एंड में क्या है? हो गया?
Why ICL is more reactive than I2? But your answer is okay. Good. Second question is okay. Okay. Now next question is halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective period of periodic table. Why?
Ma'am, because there are only one electron left to complete its octet.
सेम पॉइंट पकड़ो मत, आगे सोचो.
मैम यही तो, अच्छा मैम पीरियड में बताना है.
I will repeat. Halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective period of periodic table. When we are considering the period, halogens have the maximum negative electron gain enthalpy. Why? 2 points are there, major 2 points are there. In fact, 3 points are there. बताओ.
मैम बिकॉज
अरे यार, ट्राई टू उसको पूरी जितनी आपने उसके रिलेटेड पढ़ा उसका समराइज करके देखो अस्ता.
मैम बिकॉज मैम दे आर हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव.
एक ही पॉइंट पढ़ के आया है क्या? वो पॉइंट है ही नहीं इसमें आंसर. नाश्ता. अब इतनी टेंशन मत लो, आराम से सोच के बता दो.
मैम ये वाला पॉइंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है क्या कि मैम
नहीं.
उनमें एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन बचा है?
वो है ही नहीं इसमें.
मैम दूसरा पूछ लो मैम.
अच्छा, ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, ठीक है?
हाँ हाँ.
Which is the radioactive element in group 16? Group 16, which is the radioactive element?
मैम एक मिनट.
45 सेकेंड से तुम्हारे पास.
मैम ग्रुप कौन सा मैम?
ग्रुप 16.
अच्छा 16 मैम पोलोनियम.
वेरी गुड. इतनी सोच क्यों रही थी?
मैम 15 का लिख रही थी मैं.
कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके. बट इट वाज गुड. वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप. ठीक है, टेंशन फ्री हो जाओ. अंजलि. आगे. हाँ, ओके. आपको भी टेंशन नहीं है ना? टेंशन मत लो, ठीक है? टेंशन लेना ही मत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ लूं थी. पेन और पेपर है आपके पास अंजलि?
यस मैम.
Okay. First question is, what is the oxidation state of bromine in HbRO3? What is the oxidation state of bromine in HbRO3?
मैम +5.
HbR, correct. Very good. Okay. Second question is, why do noble gases have comparatively large atomic size? Why do noble gases have comparatively large atomic size?
Ma'am, they are extremely stable, highly stable.
और सोचो. और सोचो. Question is, why it is large in size? This is the question. Okay. Why do noble gases have comparatively large atomic size? ये question. नहीं आ रहे. थोड़े टाइम और देखो. टाइम देती हूँ.
नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं आ रहा है तो बोलो, कोई बात नहीं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, which halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective period? Why?
इलेक्ट्रॉन
Halogens have, same question पूछ रही हूँ, negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective period of periodic table. इससे रिलेटेड 3 पॉइंट्स है। सेम क्वेश्चन रिपीट इसलिए कर रहे हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज एन अनआंसर्ड क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। Halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective period of periodic table. Why? टाइम है तुम्हारा।
मैम दे आर हाईली रिएक्टिव, दैट्स व्हाई।
उसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी रिलेटेड है ना एक्चुअली। नहीं आ रहा। आखिरी क्वेश्चन पूछूं, व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन SO3 passed through water? SO3 passed through water. What happens when sulfur trioxide passed through water? बोलो।
Sulfuric acid.
Very good. Sulfuric acid is formed. Very good, Anjali. Keep it up. Okay. Time भी time हो गया, ठीक। Very good. Keep it up. ठीक है। Next time और अच्छा पढ़ना, ठीक है। But it was good. Okay. आयुष, next is your turn. हाँ, ठीक है बेटा। आयुष।
Yes, ma'am.
आयुष come
Yes,
to
ma'am.
your video. Video पे आ जाओ। Okay. Now your first question is, HF is much volatile than HCl. Why? HF is more volatile than HCl. Why?
Ma'am, HF.
HF is more volatile than HCl.
Ma'am,
Why?
HF is gas.
Volatile than HCl. Why?
Ma'am, because ma'am HF has hydrogen bonding.
So what?
Ma'am,
It has
HF has
hydrogen bonding.
Ma'am, HF has hydrogen bonding so that ma'am, एक second, ma'am. HF has hydrogen
bonding.
Ma'am, HF has hydrogen bonding so that ma'am less volatile ना ma'am.
Less volatile.
Ma'am वो bond break नहीं होते ma'am, they have less tendency to break bond.
First part is correct, but you can say इतनी nervous मत हो जाओ, relax okay. Since hydrogen bonding is there, so what?
So ma'am, HF is a gas and HCl is a liquid.
HF is a liquid.
HF is a gas due to the presence of hydrogen bonding and HCl is liquid.
But here, not related to physical state. It is related to volatility. One is volatile, another is not volatile.
I'm skip.
इतनी जल्दी क्यों speak कर रहे हो? Okay. Next question is, why interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogen molecules? Why interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens?
Ma'am, because they are both. Ma'am, interhalogen compound are more reactive than because their bond is weaker than halogen compounds.
Bond is weak. So what?
Ma'am, so that they can. Ma'am, bond is weaker.
So that they can. Then आगे बोलो.
Break. They can break. So that they are reactive, more reactive.
So more react. Okay, their bond is weak. So there is one property more it is connected to. It is also bond property. What is that?
मैम बॉन्ड एंथैल्पी इज हाई।
Bo-
मैम इसके
आयुष तुम इतना पीछे से क्यों छोड़ रहे, तुम रिलैक्स होके आंसर बताओ, वापस आ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Helium forms no chemical compound. Rest, krypton, xenon, these all forms chemical compound.
मैम हीलियम हैज हाई आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी
Good.
and मैम and it is in small, it is very in small size and it configuration is 1s2.
Correct. Okay, and the last question is, give the name of the experiment through which we can identify the presence of nitrate ion in the given salt. Give the name of the test through which we can identify presence of nitrate ion in the given salt.
Nitrate ion. Brown ring test.
Brown ring test, correct. Okay.
मैम एक और क्वेश्चन पूछ लो मैम, टाइम बचा हुआ।
टाइम बचा है कितना, हो गया 5 सेकेंड।
मैम छोटा सा दे दो।
बट 4 क्वेश्चन ओवर आयुष, 4 क्वेश्चन फिक्स कर दिया ना हमने, 4 क्वेश्चन हो गए, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके। नेक्स्ट किसका टर्न है? आयुष के बाद दीपेश है, अभी दीपेश नहीं है। और नेक्स्ट गोविंद। गोविंद रेडी, रेडी हो आप?
यस मैम।
वीडियो पे आ गए ना, ठीक है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ आपसे, which halogen cannot show +1 oxidation state? Which halogen does not show +1 oxidation state?
मैम फ्लोरीन।
Fluorine, okay, correct, because this is 1 mark question. Next question, halogens having maximum electron gain enthalpy. Why?
And because in nuclear effective nuclear charge,
Due to effective nuclear charge.
Yes ma'am.
Three points are there. Nuclear charge is not a point. Two major points are there, and one minor point is there.
मैम नहीं आ रहा मैम।
Okay. Next question. कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. How can you prepare nitric acid in the industrial purpose? Industrially, how can we manufacture nitric acid?
HNO3.
In one sentence only you will try to say the answer. One sentence. Only one sentence. What is the first step of manufacture of nitric acid? First step. एक ही step.
मैम नहीं आ रहा।
It's okay. Next question, last question. Why sulfuric acid is called the king of chemicals? Means the most powerful acid. 4
Ma'am,
points.
it is a reducing agent, more powerful.
It is a strong acid.
Oxidizing agent, strong oxidizing agent.
Strong oxidizing agent. Okay. Then.
मैम इट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड मैम, जो अभी आपने बताया मैम।
हाँ तो वो उसी का, that's why it is called the king of chemical, but it's the main point है ना, 3 points वो आपने उसमें से कुछ भी नहीं बताया, वो कोशिश करो बताने के लिए। Already this answer is said to somebody else in the class. ठीक है, मतलब फर्स्ट पीरियड में हो चुका है इसका। डायरेक्ट वाज नॉट ए डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन।
यस मैम।
Which is the 2 important properties of sulfuric acid that make it a king of chemicals. वो क्या था, ये पूछ रही हूँ, कोशिश करो। Okay, I will give one more question. One more question. Can you give one application of sulfuric acid because of its less volatility? It is less volatile in nature. So this property has a application. It is highly applicable in industrial field. Because of that, it is useful in one particular area. Can you say which area it is? Because that question is related to this only. It is less volatile. First answer is that it is less volatile. Okay, so because of that, it is useful in one particular area. Which area it is useful? चलो तुम्हें मैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं ताकि तुम आंसर बता देते हैं, ठीक है? सो पूछूं.
Yes, ma'am.
Why halogens are highly reactive? Why halogens are highly reactive? Follow.
Ma'am, high ionization enthalpy.
रिएक्टिविटी और आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी ज्यादा रिलेटेड नहीं है. इट्स नॉट
मैम
डायरेक्टली.
क्वेश्चन रिपीट करो मैम एक बार.
Halogens are highly reactive. रिएक्टिव होने के लिए क्या चाहिए? हाईली रिएक्टिव.
मैम नहीं
आयनाइजेशन.
पता मैम.
अरे कोई बात नहीं. तो एक क्वेश्चन तुमसे मैं कहलवा देती हूँ. Why boiling point of noble gas increase from helium to radon? Boiling point. Why boiling point increases? तुम्हारे टर्न हो गया, बट क्वेश्चन इसीलिए पूछती हूँ कोई भी आंसर तुम बता दे. Why boiling point of noble gas increase from helium to radon? क्यों increase हो गया? Helium to radon, these all belong to the same group. Boiling point क्यों increase हो गया? चलो कोई बात नहीं कर पा रहे. कोई देखो गोविंद, तुम क्वेश्चन व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, उसकी जो मेजर वो पॉइंट है उसी को अंडरलाइन कर देना बुक में, ठीक है? और उसके बाद क्या करना है, उसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन लिख लो अपने आप, क्योंकि दीज ऑल क्वेश्चंस आई हैव फ्रेम्ड इनसाइड द बुक ओनली. Okay, not outside the book. I have framed every question from the book only. Okay, so important question likho, not answer. Only question you have to frame, and you have to note down all the questions. And after learning, complete learning, you try to answer all those questions. So this is very effective for your learning. I know you are working very. ठीक है? Got it? ठीक. अगले बार अच्छे से करना next. ठीक है? All the best. हाँ. गोविंद के बाद अभी मैं नेक्स्ट पूछना चाहती हूँ. भूमिका है इधर? नहीं. हर्षित. हर्षित. अच्छा, भूमिका आ गई. भूमिका आप वीडियो पे आ सकते हो? भूमिका, तुम्हारे नेटवर्क में.
मैम.
तुम्हारी लेकिन वीडियो नहीं.
यस मैम, जस्ट अ मिनट.
हाँ, वीडियो पे आ जाओ पहले. हर्षित यू वेट कर लेना, आपका भी होगा आज पक्का. ठीक है? हाँ ठीक है. नाउ यू आर इन वीडियो, सो मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ भूमिका तुमसे.
यस मैम.
ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज nitrogen does not form pentahalide but phosphorus forms. Why? Nitrogen does not form pentahalide but phosphorus forms.
Ma'am, because ma'am, nitrogen does not have d orbital.
D orbital or D subshell?
Non-availability of d subshell.
Okay, that's very good. Next question is nitrogen molecule is inert towards chemical reactivity. Why? वीडियो पे नहीं है भूमिका, तुम वीडियो से बाहर.
मैम वीडियो ऑन है
लेकिन तुम्हारे फेस नहीं दिख रहे. चलो आंसर बता दे. अच्छा भूमिका तुम वेट कर देना, तुम्हारा वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है इसलिए मैं कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, ठीक है, वेट करो तुम। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, मैं नेक्स्ट बच्चों से पूछ लेती हूँ, ठीक है, क्योंकि वीडियो जब तक नहीं आए तो मैं ओरल क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकती हूँ। हर्षित आपसे पूछती हूँ मैं।
यस मैम।
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which hydride of elements group 16 has maximum reducing nature? Which hydride of group 16 has, तुम्हारे फेस कहाँ है, ढूंढना पड़ेगा। हाँ, which hydride having maximum reducing nature? Which hydride has maximum reducing nature in group 16?
मैम फ्लोरीन।
नहीं, और सोचो।
स्कीप।
एस्केप कर रहे हो पहले से। हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ मैं। व्हाट इज द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन इन HClO3?
मैम मैम प्लीज रिपीट।
What is the hybridization of chlorine in HClO3? HClO3. What is the hybridization of chlorine? What is the hybridization of chlorine in
मैम sp3। sp3।
sp3? sp3 is wrong.
sp2।
कितनी कितने अलग अलग आंसर बताते हैं। sp2 is also wrong. Find out it. Okay, you know that. Okay, next question.
sp।
कोई बात नहीं। Halogens are strong oxidizing agents. Why?
मैम
Halogen,
they are high electronegativity
okay,
and they have low dissociation energy.
low dissociation enthalpy and they have high electronegativity. और एक point है,
मैम
these 2 points are correct, perfectly correct.
मैम
What are oxidizing agents?
क्या मैम?
What are oxidizing agents?
मैम
Oxidizing agents definition बताओ हर्षित।
रिमूवल ऑफ।
वो reagent है। Oxidizing agent is a species, it is a particular element. Why it is function as an oxidizing agent? It itself undergo which process?
it itself undergo।
Oxidizing agent को क्या होता है reaction के time?
मैम it itself undergo in a reaction।
It undergo
in a reaction।
which process? It undergo which process? उसको क्या होगा? जैसे एक ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है, उसको क्या होगा रिएक्शन के टाइम में? ऑक्सीडेशन
मैम it
रिडक्शन होगा।
मैम ओ reduction taking place।
रिडक्शन होगा, राइट। और व्हाट इज रिडक्शन इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्सेप्ट?
मैम in electronic concept removal of मैम in electronic concept
हाँ,
removal of H plus।
ये सही है। चलो तुम्हारे आंसर ऑलमोस्ट सही है, ठीक है, तो मैं इसको मानती हूँ, मान के चलती हूँ। इसका आंसर आना चाहिए it itself undergo reduction, that means it has a tendency to accept electron, always it gain electron during the reaction, ठीक है। लास्ट क्वेश्चन हर्षित तुम्हारे लिए, why does dioxygen is a gas but sulfur is a solid? Dioxygen a gas but sulfur a solid. इसमें 3 पॉइंट्स हैं, जितनी याद आते उसके रिलेटेड बता दो हर्षित।
मैम because sulfur has vacant the subshell।
वो सिर्फ नहीं है इसमें, और सोचो। क्वेश्चन है कि डाइऑक्सीजन इज ए गैस बट सल्फर एक्सिस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए सॉलिड। ऑक्सीजन गैस में
मैम
एक्सिस्ट।
because oxygen is small in size।
वेरी गुड। हाँ
oxygen has vacant subshell and highly electronic.
ए वो नहीं है, वेकेंट डी सबशेल मैटर ही नहीं करते इसमें, स्मॉल से इसे मान लिया मैंने। गुड।
High ionization energy
हाई आयनाइजेशन भी इसमें मैटर नहीं करते, स्टेट है
in
ना।
oxygen.
हाँ और बोल, हाई
High electronegativity.
good, high electronegativity, so it is capable of forming
Lone pair of
multiple bond।
electrons.
पूरे आंसर तो मैंने ही बोला है, बट ठीक है मान लिया मैंने। ठीक है हर्षित, ओके गुड, वेरी गुड हर्षित, यू हैव ट्राइड अ लॉट, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और सारे बच्चों ने अच्छा किया है, वेरी गुड। कल आ जाऊंगी वापस, न्यू सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन के